What are mouths for? In memoriam, Daphne Caruana Galizia. A simple question after all this time, because your mouth is dry with anger still, because your throat aches with impossible words. What are mouths for? A whiplash of water that dries in parched air, outrage in its momentary glitter. Can you speak now? Is anyone listening? Malta is an island of endings. The first people exhausted the land and left. The children of the second people died in such numbers they built burial grounds. Their mouths stopped with grief. Then tomb and palace fell to dust. Can you write now? Will anyone read your words? They are packed in salt, bitter as green olives before they are ripe. The old languages survive, cross and recross, because they have something to say about persistence. Arabic, Italian, English, all endure in Maltese. As the mouth opens, the old vowels revive, breathing through the skeleton of consonants. If you do not speak, you will be swamped. The island lost again, because that is what mouths are for. Malta is an island of endings. Those blind stomachs stuffed with greasy cash return all to dust. No joy in the lemon tree. How you crave a trickle of fresh water to moisten mouths with kindness. How you long for Ovid's make-believe that Daphne turned to laurel without pain, that the silenced Philomel learned to sing as a nightingale. But, they say, Malta is the most savagely bird-hostile place in Europe. And the stomachs have no appetite for bird song, for fresh beginnings. She had no choice. She spoke because that was what her mouth was for. Though the stomachs got closer each time, poison, fire, and knife. Her dog, her home, her second dog. It was only a matter of time until one day, under her very feet, the depth charge detonated. She was driving alone along a narrow mountain edge. The tremendous sound split the road open, crushed the car, broke her heart, shattered hands, eyes, mouth. What of her fierce, proud words now? Look at the dry stones of that dry island, the blank, enormous sky. Look now at the waves hammering, slamming into the cliff. This island of endings, what will survive now? What is your mouth for? When will you begin?